Right, I'm just going to put a quick video up, show people why you shouldn't always just look at a piece of wire and say that's okay. Even with a continuity test, run it from one side to the other and it says okay. Don't always trust it. Looks can be very deceiving. As you can see, there's a piece of wire here. It's not broken at all. Okay. However, would you reuse this piece of wire? Well, it looks good. Most people might say reuse it. However, just go and pick it up. Would you reuse that? Just because the insulation, I mean the whole wire itself looked fine. But you take it off and hello. That was underneath. That's what it looks like underneath. So I have to get it up, but yeah, there we go. Black, burnt bits. There you go. So although the outside of the wire looked good, the inside is a different story. A continuity test and a multimeter wouldn't even pick that up. But if you put that in a bike, you might end up with some problems real quick. That's why it's so hard to diagnose electrical issues sometimes, because the issue could be right in front of you, right there. But you wouldn't be able to see or know it until you strip it and find that. I've got another example. It's a fuse. It's a 50 amp slow burn fuse. And the same again, I mean, probably actually the camera can't pick this up, but it doesn't look too good there, as you can see. But it's actually worse than that, because get it out and there we go. Focus. Yeah, it's literally all there, all the corrosion just in there, and that's so easy to, so difficult to spot with it actually in the casing, with it in here. That would be nigh on difficult to pick up. You'd see it from the top, and that's what gave me the alarm bells. But only when I took it out, even though it still works, it's not blown, it's not broken, but that's going to cause you some problems. So yeah, be extra vigilant when diagnosing electrical systems. Very, very vigilant.